Imagine eliminating hours of tedious data entry from physical documents. By the end of this video, you'll have an exact, actionable workflow to automate data extraction from any physical document, turning what used to take you 8 hours into less than 5 minutes. This isn't just a time saver, it's a productivity revolution for your business.
Before AI vision, processing physical documents meant endless manual typing, prone to errors, and a massive drain on your time and resources. Think about invoices, receipts, contracts, or application forms. Each one required careful, slow input. This manual grind limited your capacity and often led to frustrating mistakes.
Now, with AI vision, that entire process is transformed. Instead of painstakingly entering data, you simply scan or upload a document, and AI extracts all the critical information for you automatically. This means a dramatic reduction in time, a significant boost in accuracy, and the ability to scale your operations without hiring more staff.
We're going to break down how to achieve this concrete outcome in 3 simple steps. You'll learn how to capture documents, use AI to intelligently extract data, and then integrate that data into your existing systems. Let's dive into the first step.
Step 1. Capture or upload your physical document. This is where your physical document begins its digital journey. You can use a scanner, your smartphone camera, or even existing image files.
The goal is to get a clear, readable digital image of your document. The better the quality of your scan or photo, the more accurate the AI extraction will be. Ensure good lighting and a flat surface to minimize shadows or distortions.
Next, the core of our automation, using AI vision to extract key data. This is where tools like Nanonets come into play. Nanonets is a powerful AI-driven platform designed specifically for intelligent document processing.
What Nanonets does is go beyond basic OCR, optical character recognition. It understands the context of the document. So, if you upload an invoice, it doesn't just read the words, it identifies the invoice number, vendor, total amount, and line items.
Nanonets is best for businesses that need to automate data extraction from a wide variety of documents, including invoices, receipts, and various forms. It offers customizable OCR models, automated data extraction, and seamless integration with many workflows. Plus, it has a generous freemium model, making it accessible to many.
To use it, you'd upload your document, select a pre-built model for your document type, say, an invoice model, or train a custom one for unique documents. The AI then processes the document, highlighting the extracted fields. You can review and correct any data, and the system learns from your corrections, improving over time.
Another excellent tool for this step is Docparser. While Nanonets focuses on a broader AI-driven approach, Docparser excels at automating data extraction from PDFs and scanned documents into structured formats using highly customizable parsing rules.
Docparser is ideal for users who need to convert complex documents like purchase orders or contracts into usable, structured data. It supports both PDFs and images, allows custom parsing rules, and offers robust cloud integration. It's a paid tool, starting around $39 a month, but its precision can quickly justify the cost.
With Docparser, you define parsing rules, essentially telling the AI where to look for specific data points on your document. For example, you might set a rule to always extract the number next to invoice hashtag, or the date below date of issue. This rule-based approach makes it incredibly accurate for recurring document types.
The final step, integrate extracted data into your system. Having the data extracted is only half the battle. The real power comes from getting that data where it needs to go, whether it's a spreadsheet, a CRM, an accounting system, or a database.
Both Nanonets and Docparser offer various integration options. You can often export data to CSV or Excel files, or directly connect them to popular apps using webhooks or built-in connectors. This means the extracted data can automatically populate your accounting software, update your customer records, or even trigger other automated tasks.
For example, you could set up a workflow where a scanned receipt is automatically uploaded to Nanonets, the expense amount is extracted, and then that data is pushed directly into your bookkeeping software. This eliminates manual entry errors and ensures your financial records are always up to date, almost instantly.
This workflow is a game changer. Before, you might spend hours each week on data entry. Now, with AI vision, that time can be repurposed for more strategic tasks. This isn't just about saving time, it's about unlocking new levels of efficiency and accuracy.
To summarize, Nanonets is our top recommendation for its powerful AI, flexibility, and freemium model, making it suitable for a wide range of use cases. Docparser is an excellent alternative, especially if you need precise, rule-based extraction for specific document types and don't mind a paid subscription.
Let's take a closer look at Nanonets with a practical walkthrough. First, you'll need to create an account on their website. Once logged in, you'll be presented with a dashboard. To start, click on Create New Model. You'll then choose from a list of pre-trained models like invoice processing, receipt processing, or purchase order. For this example, let's select invoice processing.
After selecting the model, Nanonets will prompt you to upload your documents. You can drag and drop PDF files, images, or even scan documents directly. For best results, ensure your document is clear and well lit. Once uploaded, Nanonets AI will automatically process the document. You'll see the extracted fields highlighted, such as invoice number, vendor name, total amount, and individual line items.
Review the extracted data carefully. If any field is incorrect or missed, you can easily click on the field and draw a box around the correct data on the document image. Nanonets learns from these corrections, improving its accuracy for future documents. Once you're satisfied, you can export the data to various formats like CSV, Excel, or integrate it directly into your accounting software via their API or Zapier. This feedback loop is crucial for optimizing your extraction over time.
Now, let's dive into Docparser for a step-by-step guide. Head over to the Docparser website and sign up for an account. Once inside, you'll start by creating a new parser. Docparser will ask you to upload sample documents, ideally, several examples of the same document type you want to process, like different invoices from various vendors. This helps it learn the document structure.
After uploading, the core of Docparser lies in defining parsing rules. On the left, you'll see your uploaded document. On the right, you'll add rules. For example, to extract an invoice number, you might add a text field rule. Then, you'd highlight the invoice number on your sample document. Docparser will then ask for anchor keywords, words that typically appear near the data you want to extract, like invoice hashtag, or ref. This tells the system exactly where to look.
You can create various rule types: table field for line items, date field for dates, or amount field for currency. The more precise your rules and anchor keywords, the more accurate Docparser will be. After defining your rules, test them by uploading more documents. Docparser will apply your rules and show you the extracted data. You can then export this structured data to CSV, Excel, or connect it to over 1,500 apps through integrations like Zapier, ensuring your data flows seamlessly into your existing workflows.
So, which of these tools would you try first to automate your physical document data entry? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into AI tools and productivity workflows. We'll be back soon with another way to supercharge your work with AI.